Hey, this is, no, stop that, Albert. No, hey, this is a coolin'. Coolin' is schoolin'. Coolin' your jets. Yes, sir, here in Gilbert, Arizona. I'm a schoolin' you on sacred geometry. Sacred geometry. Flat Earth. Flat Earth sacred geometry. Hey. My video I made back in June, what was that, June 15th, 2015, pointed out, all Earth theory, 180 degrees out of sync. It's that frickin' simple, man. It's that frickin' simple. You know, you want to talk to people about the Earth being flat, you need to definitely have a definitive statement that totally trashes Ball Earth concept and geometrically sacred geometry, sacred frickin' geometry. You know, I just graduated back in 75. All you had to do is have shop math. I didn't take geometry in high school, but I figured this out. Yeah. I could see it. I started looking into sacred geometry back in 2008, 2009. You know, I ran across flat earth videos back then, you know, and I was just wallowing it around in the back of my mind for, you know, a long time, just trying to think, you know, logically about stuff. But, you know, you take any of these images, the center sun, you know, geometrically, you know, with the 182 and a half would be an orbit, but, you know, the arch. And the basic concept, every degree being equal to, you can see my fingernail is on what? My fingernail is on this side. Each degree being equal to 1 day. We're not using frickin' sidereal. We're not using the sun or the moon. We're using our time, the way we calculate time, 24 hours a day. You go around. Now see over here, the center sun's here. My fingernail would be considered the dark into the... You go around, it don't matter. You know, you're doing one rotation, 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree, 100 degrees, whatever. Halfway around, half of 90 and 90, 90's halfway, you know, you're freaking, it's getting there, see? And by the time you get all the way around here, my thumbnail's facing the sun. Over here, it's not facing the sun. 1 degree for each day. It's as simple. This is sacred geometry knowledge. Sacred geometry knowledge. Simple logic. I show people that I talk to out on the street, and their mind goes blank. Blank, literally. And I can understand. You know, I wallowed this around in my brain for, you know, a few years before actually the light, the bingo brain hit me, oh yeah. Ball Earth orbiting the sun is illogical in the concept of a 365-day-a-year orbit around the sun in the relationship with understanding basic geometry. So, sacred geometry, flat Earth, ball Earth, this is what everybody needs to be talking about. You know, this is where it all frickin' falls apart on them. That's right. They can't debunk sacred geometry logic. Hey, thumbs up, subscribe, don't subscribe, but remember, if you want to have a good day, if you want to have a really good day, check out some cool stuff about sacred geometry. Ooh, and the chakras. That's a whole nother world I've been into, and I understand the churches. The symbolism in the book of Revelation to the chakras. Yeah, that's right. There's information on the internet about that, too. Bible personifications run deep, guys. Hey, so, hey, have a good day.